Magandang buhay! 1, 2, 3, welcome! Welcome na naman po sa panabago na namang vlog ni Michikoy and good morning! So for today's video, medyo matagal po yung naging agwat. Though meron po tayong upload kahapon, I think, or nung isang araw. Pero kasi pondo po kasi yun. But honestly, matagal po tayong hindi nakapag-prepare ng video because I was on vacation. Nasa Pinas po tayo and Australia po during the last few weeks. But anyway, hindi ko po alam kung talagang ginagawa nyo ba itong challenge na ito. But kung ginagawa nyo po, thank you. Anong masasabi nyo? Ano bang naging development? Meron na ba? May naging pagbabago na po ba or wala? So for today, no, ang pag-uusapan naman po natin, ang ating challenge for today is patungkol po sa pagiging not being irritable. Okay? So, love is not irritable. Lalabas po natin ating verse for this challenge. And eto po yan. Sabi po sa Proverbs 16:32, he who is slow to anger is better than the mighty, and he who rules his spirit than he who captures a city. Alam nyo, love does not offend. Sa totoo lang. And love is quick to forgive. Sa ano lang. Now, the challenge for today is, if you are in a tough situation right now, choose to react in a loving way. No? Balikan mo kaya noon, nung patwitams pa kayo, di ba, nagliligawan pa lang kayo, di ba, kahit meron kayong pagtatalo, pakyut-kyut pa, di ba? So, ang gawin natin is ganun po, balik po natin kaya yon. No? Again, ulitin natin, the challenge for today is that if you are in a tough situation, you choose to react in a loving way. Instead, doon sa maiinis ka, mag-flare up ka, mapipikon ka, magagalit ka. Kasi, yan yung opposite ng pagmamahal. Hindi pagmamahal yan yung pag naging ganyan yung reaction mo. Diba? I've said, diba, in the beginning, love does not offend. And love is quick to forgive. When people are irritable, loaded ka na, no? Nakasarado ka na, no? Ready ka na to overreact. No? Parang ang OA ng dating, parang alam mo yun. Yung, alam mo yun, di ba, minsan may makikita ka reaction ng asawa mo, Ito lang, nagkakaganito ka? Kasi nga, irritable ka na. So, when you are under pressure, sa totoo lang, dapat love doesn't turn sour. Sa ano lang, diba? Actually, meron pong dalawang reason kung bakit ka naging irritable. Unang-una, number one is stress. Stress, diba? And pangalawa is selfishness. Ngayon, alamin nyo sa sarili nyo, bakit ganun? Ano, saan ka nai-stress? Kasi why? Stress weighs you down. No? Dinedrain nito yung energy mo. Kaya, irritable ka. Now, selfishness naman, bakit? Bakit isa to sa reason kung bakit ka nag-irritate? Kasi kung selfish ka, the heart of the problem is actually the problem of your heart. Kaya i-check nyo po yung sarili natin. Kayo po makakapag-check niya, kayo po makakapag-ano niyan. Tanungin nyo po yung sarili nyo, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Diba? Basta as I have said, our challenge for today is when you are in a tough situation, choose to react lovingly instead of irritably. Magandang buhay, and God bless us all.